how to download an episode in WEBTOON app. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can download your episode on your WEBTOON app. So first of all, you have to go to your Play Store and search for WEBTOON. You have to install the WEBTOON app on your device. After that, you have to open your WEBTOON app and log into your account. So here you can see that I have already logged into my account. So choose the drama that you want to watch. Click on that. The top right, there is a three dot option. Click on that. Here you can see the download option. Click that. So here you can select one or more than one and go for download. So the episode has been already downloaded to my phone. That's the process how you can download the episode on the WEBTOON app. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.